Some things are far too important to leave to chance. So don't. 12,000 watts of whole home power, 32 circuits of precision control. This is EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, an unrivaled whole home energy backup system. Prepared for whatever tomorrow brings. Installed and ready to back you up in just 7 days. When the grid fades, your home shines.
We've lost our power.
It's enough to handle the essentials, the extras, and even to be a light in the dark for anyone who needs it. You can't choose when the storm comes, but you can choose how you weather it. Easily turn power off when you don't need it, and keep it reliably running where you do. And when the night stretches on, Ultra X adapts and keeps you powered as long as you need. Homes change. Life moves. Ultra X moves with you. What's enough today might not be enough tomorrow. So Ultra X can grow along with you. Night and day, it learns and adapts. Always on a mission to save you more. More savings for the things you need. More time for the people who matter. Life can be uncertain. Your power never has to be. EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Whole home power. Unbound.